So we got this situation. What is the remainder when 32 power 32 power 32 is divided by 7? Now look at this. What we will do, we will apply step 1. So in step 1 we have to divide the base 32 divided by 7 to get the remainder. So it is 28 plus 4. So remainder is 4. Correct? Now what we have to do, we have to find out the cyclicity when this remainder is divided by 7. Okay, so S2. So 4 divided by 7, we will get remainder as 4. Now 4 square divided by 7, so it is 16. 16 is divided by 7, so 14 and 2. 2 is the remainder. 4 power 3 divided by 7. So you know that 4 power 3 is 64, and 7, if you will divide 64 by 7, you will get remainder as 1. So we got cyclicity as 3. Now what we will do with this cyclicity? We will divide the power by this cyclicity as 3. So who is in the power? 32 power 32. So we will divide by this cyclicity 3. Now you know that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we have to start table of denominator and try to get closer to the numerator. Can I write 33 minus 1 power 32? Now if we will apply binomial expansion in this element, the element in which 33 will be involved will be divisible by 3, correct? So we have last hope on the last element, that is 32. See, 32, 33 power 0 minus 1 power 32. We got last element as this divided by 3. You know it is 1, you know it is 1, and minus 1 power 32 is 1. So we got numerator as 1. So we got 1. Now what we will do with this one? Now we will be dealing with the final result. We will put this one in the power of base. So 32 power 1 divided by 7. Okay. So if we will divide 32 by 7, we will get final remainder as 4. I hope the idea is clear and you guys are now comfortable with these kind of questions as well. Okay.